Hello everyone, I am Aarti AS. Namo Namaha. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English. The book I am teaching from is the textbook of 8th standard Sampurna Sanskritam Aamodah of Maharashtra State Board. It is perfect for beginners too. We are studying lesson number 12 Atmanepadiya. In previous part we studied verses from 1st to 4th. Today we will study verses from 5th to 8th. 5th verse. लोभाविष्टो नरो वित्तं वीक्षते न तु संकटं दुग्धं पश्यति मार्जारो न तथा लगुड़ा हतिम. In this slok, वीक्षते is Atmanepada Kriyapadam. Lobhavishto means lobhavishtah. Naro means narah. Marjaro means marjarah. Meanings. Lobhavishtah. Lobha avishtah means full of greed. Lobha means greed. Vittam means wealth or money. Vikshate means to see. V plus iksh dhatu lat lakarah means vartaman kalah prathama purusha ekvachana vikshate. Sankatam means calamity or trouble. Laguda hatim means blow of the stick. Translation. A man who is full of greed sees wealth but does not see the calamity. A cat sees the milk but does not see the possibility of blow of the stick. So bhavartha of this slok is greed makes man blind or thoughtless. A greedy man is incapable of thinking of the calamities or troubles in the way of his attaining wealth. In Hindi, there is a saying similar to this. Ghee dekha, ghee ka badga nahi dekha. Right? 6th verse. Apare kavya sansare kavirekah prajapatihi yathasmai rochate vishvam tatha vai parivartate. In this slok, rochate and parivartate, these both are Atmanepada Kriyapada. Here, kavirekah means kavihi plus ekah. Yathasmai means yatha plus asmai. Let's see meanings. Apare means in the endless. Kavya sansare in the world of poems or literature. Kavihi ekah, the poet alone. Prajapatihi, Lord Brahma, creator of this world. Asmai, to this. Rochate, ruch dhatu, lat lakarah prathama purusha ekvachanam. वर्तमान काले. आत्मनेपदी रोचते meaning likes. परिवर्तते means changes. परि plus वृत्त. आत्मनेपदी लट लकारः प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन परिवर्तते. Translation. In the endless world of literature, the poet is the sole creator, like Lord Brahma. The world of literature changes as he likes, as per the intensity of expression in his words. Vai means intensity of expression. Bhavartha. The world that we see around us is said to be created by Lord Brahma, and literature is a parallel world created by the writer. This world changes according to the writer's liking. 7th verse. वनस्पतेरपक्वानि फलानि प्रचिनोति यः विन्दते न रसं तेभ्यो बीजं चापि विनश्यति. In this verse, vindate is atmanepada kriyapadam. Let us see sandhi. Vanaspaterapakvani means vanaspatehe plus apakvani. Tebhyo means tebhyah. Chapi means cha plus api. Meanings: vanaspatehe means of the tree. This is षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचनम of वनस्पति शब्द. इकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द वनस्पति. अपक्वानि means unripe. Pakvani means ripe. Apakvani means unripe. Prachinoti means plucks. Vindate means gets. With vind धातु लट लकार आत्मनेपदी प्रथम पुरुष एक वचनम. विन्दते. बीजम means seeds. Vinashyati means destroys. Translation: He who plucks the unripe fruit of the tree does not get juice from them, and the seed of the fruit is also destroyed. So bhavartha is one should wait till the right time. Anything done before does not serve the purpose. 8th verse. न देवो वर्तते काष्ठे न पाषाणे न मृण्मये भावे हि विद्यते देवः तस्माद् भावो हि कारणम्. In this verse, vartate and vidyate, these both are atmanepad kriyapada. Na devo means devah. Bhavo means bhavah. Let's see meanings. Vartate meaning is. Vrit dhatu lat lakar आत्मनेपद प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन वर्तते. काष्ठे. काष्ठ means wood. काष्ठे is सप्तमी विभक्ति, so meaning is in wood. पाषाणे. पाषाणः means stone and this is saptami vibhakti, so पाषाणे means in stone. मृण्मये. मृण्मय means made of clay. मृण्मये means in the clay idol. भावे. भाव means faith. भावे means in the faith. विद्यते means exists. विद धातु लट लकार वर्तमान काल आत्मनेपद प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन विद्यते. ही means indeed. कारणम means cause. Translation: God is not in wood, stone or in the idol made of clay. God is in the faith. So faith is the cause of God's existence. So bhavartha is faith of the devotees makes the idol of wood, stone or clay divine. So the divinity or God does not actually exist in the idols. The faith makes the image or idol a symbol of God. So the lesson is complete, and in the next tutorial we will do bhasha abhyasaha of this lesson. Link to the playlist has been given in the description box. If you like my teaching, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Namo Namah. Punah Milamah. Dhanyavadah.